In this video, we are going to show how to charge refrigerant in a system which is running undercharged, and also how a triple evacuation is carried out in the system and is freshly charged before commissioning for the first time. An undercharged refrigeration system experiences reduced cooling performance, leading to higher energy consumption, increased operational costs, potential damage to the compressor due to overheating, and reduced lubricating oil return from the compressor. Key symptoms include ice formation on the evaporator, hissing noises, longer run times, and lower overall efficiency. To prevent issues, regular maintenance and timely repairs of leaks are essential to ensure the system has the correct refrigerant level. The symptoms of an undercharged system are: the liquid level in the receiver or in the condenser, as seen in the sight glass, will be less than the normal level. There will be flow of vapor bubbles through the sight glass fitted in the refrigerant line from the dryer to the solenoid valve. Ice formation on the evaporator coils. Longer periods of compressor running than usual, trying to achieve the set temperature. The cause of undercharge can be due to leakage in the system, which might be at pipe fittings, at the relief valve, at the gland packing of the system valves, or at the mechanical seal of the compressor. The leakage detection can be done by soap test. Rectify the leakage before charging. Charging involves following steps. Hang the refrigerant cylinder under a weighing scale and note down the weight. The refrigerant bottle has been provided with outlet valves for drawing both gas and liquid. The gas charging is done in low pressure side, and liquid charging is done in high pressure side. Remove the cap nut from the liquid outlet port of the refrigerant cylinder. Connect one end of the hose tight with the cylinder in the liquid outlet line. Remove the cap nut from the liquid charging service port in the system. Connect the other end of the hose loose to the system's high-pressure liquid service ports using a pressure gauge manifold to monitor pressure and allow controlled flow. Crack open the liquid line valve in the refrigerant bottle and tighten the hose connection after the air in the hose is removed. Shut the pump down valve in the outlet of the condenser, keeping the compressor on. Open the liquid service port valve in the system. Allow the liquid to be charged from the refrigerant cylinder into the reservoir by the compressor. Adjust the opening of the cylinder valve and monitor the pressure gauges to ensure the system pressure remains within the manufacturer's specifications. When the liquid level in the reservoir reaches around 3/4 level in the sight glass, shut the liquid valve in the refrigerant cylinder. Allow the compressor to run till the compressor cuts off due to low suction pressure. Now the liquid service port in the system can be shut. The charging hose can be disconnected from the system. Put the cap nut in place both on the service port in the system and in the outlet port of the refrigerant cylinder. Now note down the weight of the cylinder, the weight of the refrigerant charged into the cylinder. Now let us see how to vacuumize the system before charging while commissioning. Vacuuming a refrigeration system, also called evacuation, is a critical process to remove air, moisture, and other non-condensable gases before charging the system with refrigerant. Vacuuming is crucial in ensuring proper system performance, safe operation, and efficient energy usage. This prevents system damage, corrosion, and poor performance by eliminating harmful contaminants. Vacuuming a refrigeration system involves following steps. Ensure that the system is powered off. Make sure that all manual valves are open. And solenoid valves are open. This will ensure that no pockets of air or nitrogen are trapped in the pipework. Connect the two yellow hoses of the charging pressure gauge manifold to the vacuum pump, the red hose to the high pressure side of the refrigeration system, and the blue hose to the low pressure side of the refrigeration system. Fit a torr gauge at furthest point away from vacuum pump. There are two methods of vacuuming used. One is called single vacuum method, which is used on smaller equipment, and another one is called triple vacuum method, which is used on larger equipment. In single vacuum method, the vacuum pump is started and run to achieve a pressure of 2 torr in one attempt or a single stage. Now perform a standing vacuum test to confirm that the system holds vacuum for an hour, and then safely disconnect the equipment. The system is now ready to be charged with the correct amount of refrigerant. In triple vacuum method, the vacuum pump is started and run to achieve a pressure of 10 torr. Then the vacuum pump is isolated The system is connected to oxygen-free nitrogen bottle and is charged from this bottle to a pressure of 0 bar gauge. Oxygen-free nitrogen is a drying agent which absorbs all the moisture out of the air. Then the vacuum pump is restarted after opening the valves and run till a pressure of 5 torr is achieved. Then the vacuum pump is isolated The system is charged with oxygen-free nitrogen to bring system pressure to 0 bar. Then the vacuum pump is restarted after opening the valves and run till a pressure of 2 torr is achieved. Then the vacuum pump is stopped and isolated from the system. Now perform a standing vacuum test to confirm that the system holds vacuum for an hour, and then safely disconnect the equipment. The system is now ready to be charged with the correct amount of refrigerant. This triple vacuum method can be used when the ambient temperature is low, as the oxygen-free nitrogen helps to boil off any moisture and speed up the vacuum process. Helped you in understanding the process of evacuation and charging in a refrigeration system? Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more educational content.